is Nidhi and we are planning to make something sweet, salty, spicy and very popular chili garlic tofu in a kitchen. So let's get started. And simple ingredients, and if you don't have tofu, we can go with paneer or potatoes. So let's get started. We have some few ingredients that we need. We start with oyster sauce, and we need soy sauce. This is the light soy sauce and it has some salt in it. The dark soy sauce, some water, and brown sugar. Now we will just give it a mix. Now for the tofu, we'll be needing tofu, and this tofu I have just baked it in the oven with little bit of soy sauce and sugar, and this have become crispy and golden. We'll need spring onions, we'll need bell peppers, we'll need red onions, and we'll need green chilies or red chilies, whatever you have. I've used the non-spicy ones, you can use that, and chopped garlic. So these are the ingredients. We'll need peanut oil to cook. Take a big stainless steel pan and add some peanut oil. Add the chopped garlic. You need a lot of garlic because that's what will bring the flavor. Add little bit of chilies, onion, the bell peppers, the spring onion whites, the prepared tofu, the sauce, the spring onion greens, some more chilies on the top, cornflour slurry. So this is my bowl of tofu and it's tasting so delicious, sweet, spicy and lots of flavor, and so simple. Just tofu and some sauces. So I hope you enjoy. Have a great day.